Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'll be introducing you to Madhya Pradesh, often referred to as the heart of India. My name is Ayushi Jaria, and I'll share some of the unique features that make this state a significant part of Indian culture and heritage. This is a map of India and where Madhya Pradesh is located. It's kind of central under New Delhi. Madhya Pradesh is home to several notable cities. Bhopal, the capital, is known for its picturesque lakes and historic sites. Indore is appreciated for its vibrant culture and renowned street food. Ujjain, one of the most ancient cities in India, is known for its spiritual significance and the famous Mahakaleshwar temple. In addition to its cities, Madhya Pradesh offers serene villages like Kari that reflect traditional lifestyles. Pachmari, the state's only hill station, is known for its peaceful surroundings, waterfalls, and historic caves. It's an ideal retreat for those who enjoy nature.
दिल ने जो कहा उसको मान लो ले लो मजा जिंदगी का है हर पल सुहाना शाना ना 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 शाना ना 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 शाना ना 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 शाना ना 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 अपने यारों में एक यार है आज जो बहुत बेकरार है इसका आज दिल चाल चल गया क्या हुआ इसे ये बदल गया ये हो गया है किसी का इसे जाने दो ना शाना ना 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 शाना ना 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 शाना ना 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 शाना ना 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 है ये दोस्ती यारो जिंदगी इसका एक पल
Madhya Pradesh's cuisine is diverse and flavorful. It includes a variety of dishes such as curries, biryani, poha, and jalebi. The street food scene is lively, offering snacks like kachori and vada. Mango lassi is a popular beverage enjoyed throughout the state. The traditional clothing of Madhya Pradesh is simple yet elegant. Women wear saris and salwar suits, while men typically wear kurtas. These outfits showcase the cultural identity of the state. The primary language spoken in Madhya Pradesh is Hindi. Greeting someone with "Namaste" is common, and "Dandavad" is used to express gratitude. Picking up a few local phrases can be a great way to connect with people here. Since you are in the medical field, I wanted to teach you the following words. Body parts are heart, dil, brain, damag, blood, khun, bones, haddi, stomach, pet, and common symptoms and conditions are cough, khasi, pain, dard, injury is chot. Religion is an integral part of life in Madhya Pradesh, with festivals like Diwali, Navratri, and Makar Sankranti celebrated widely. Ujjain's Mahakaleshwar temple is a religious site attracting visitors from across the country. Garba is again a dance that people do during Navratri. I have a video of me doing a Garba dance with other people organized by the Indian Women Association here in the US. For those interested in mindfulness, Madhya Pradesh offers spiritual retreats and ashrams where visitors can practice meditation and yoga. These spaces provide a peaceful environment for reflection and personal growth. To conclude, Madhya Pradesh is a state of great cultural, historical, and natural importance. I hope this presentation has provided you with an overview of what makes it so special. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them via email or text. Thank you so much. Bye.